she's still being a wine bag about getting in. This seat thing that I've got by iBuddy, it's pretty cool because it has like a it has a bungee cord leash that attaches right to the seatbelt, and it's really nice because if we're ever in a kind of a, not an accident, but if I've got to jam on the brakes, it's got a little bit of a bungee thing to it, so it's not going to stress out her neck, huh? What? No, I don't want any kisses. I know. All right, ready to go? I think you can see the Android Auto too. We're gonna do that setup. So this is actually the first time I'm doing it this way. I gotta check this text message first. All right, so I just got a message from one of my clients. He's just asking if I've got a couple of minutes, if I could stop by to take a ride in his car to listen to the noise that he thinks has something to do with his brakes. So I'm gonna black out the screen, plug in the USB cable to it, throw it up there, grab my key, toss it in the ignition. And I'm just going to put it to accessory, and let's just see what happens, if anything. So head unit reloaded, like literally loaded up right away. There goes Android Auto. So let's connect this up. Samsung. I got to see if there's a way that I don't have to keep pressing that, but that was actually cool that it actually showed up right away. There it goes. Pig hammer. And this is what Daisy does as I'm driving down the road. Huh. She likes to put her head on my shoulder. So that's how fast it is. It's pretty fast. I like it. It's pretty cool. So today's projects are doing some more cleanup type landscaping stuff. I've got to relocate a couple of hydrangeas because right now is actually a good time to move them. The frost has hit them. I got to cut back the Montauk daisies. Those are gone now because of the frost. It's going to be like how you cut the grasses, 6 to 8 inch. Now is the best time to do it. Helping out people, landscaping, cleanups, all that good stuff right now. Let's go. So Daisy's just chilling. Ah, sweetie. So this is what we've already done already. Taking the hydrangea that's right there and right there. Basically we took out 3 hydrangeas that were in this location right here. So we're leaving this one here. That's how I trim them. It's staying like that. We had a good size one right there. Same exact variety right there. And then what was mimicked on that side was on this side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these Andromedas and get rid of this middle one because if you can see, it's very sticky. It's very sticky. It's too sticky down the bottom. It's not been trimmed right, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Take that one, which is the Charlie Brown one. That one is actually gonna go right in this spot right there where you can see where my finger's touching. And then the one that's back there, that one I'm actually gonna turn, come out about 16 inches, and then slide it over to that little spot right there. And then that kind of will fill in this area a little bit better. And then those hydrangeas are right here. So we had a cherry tree that died, so that hydrangea's going there for now. Another hydrangea there. There's Daisy. Hi, sweetie. And then we had some Montauk daisies, and this really cut back and raked out some of these Montauk daisies because they were so overgrown and poorly managed, and now they are looking a lot better. We'll just have to see what they're going to look like this spring, see how they grow. But like what you can see, like say in the centers of these, you can see, because obviously that's where the plant starts, that they're very sticky. Like I said, like see how there's nothing there? There's nothing in that one. There's nothing in this one. I have a feeling that this one was actually 2 plants. We'll see. Just doing some landscaping. We got some trimming to do on that hydrangea right there. That's a tree hydrangea. And there's Daisy. What's he doing? Oh. So it's been a while since I've seen one of these. Reaching for the phone. You want to get on my finger? I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the tree. There you go. I think it's funny, people ask me, did you used to work for UPS or something? I don't know, what are you trying to say?